Just a short one today. Here we are at Hickling Broad. You can see the Hickling Broad Sailing Club. Up there is the pleasure boat in Hickling. Very nice pub, lovely restaurant. Problem with it does tend to flood in this area. As you can see, it's a little bit soggy underfoot, but lovely, absolutely lovely. Over in the back there you can see Whispering Reeds, boathouse, where you can hire boats and all that. And also, as you can see from the weather, it's a little bit choppy here today, and to be honest, the wind always seems to be coming in your face at this place. But other than that, it's a beautiful place, really nice. We'll just go down to the end just to show you how vast it is. And Hickling Broad is one of the biggest broads on the Norfolk roads. It's absolutely huge. And it connects up with all the rivers. It runs down to the River Farm, and that's how all the waterways are. Little map here, just showing you where we are. But there you go, people. Hickling Broad. Look at the size of it. Absolutely huge. On a summer's day, can't get a better place. It's really lovely. And as you can see, you've got the little cabins over on the left hand side there that you can hire